आप दरवाजा बंद तो कर। Hello everyone. Hello Hema Parihar, Kishore. Hello Pankaj Ojha. Thank you so much for joining us. Hello the Indian poet. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. We are waiting for our today's speaker to join in. Let's give her a few seconds so that once we join, we'll start with this session. Hello Nutrition 360. Shehnaz, how are you doing? Hello Sahil. We'll wait for our today's speaker to join in, and as soon as she joins in, we'll start with the session as to what is there from her side to give us today. Hello Hema. Hope you're doing well. I'm fine, Sahil. Thank you for asking. I'm absolutely fine. We can see a rustic mind joining us. Hello Manali. Just now went through your podcast. थोड़ा सा बाकी है. You're doing a wonderful job, dear. Just 1 minute more and she's going to join us. Hello. Yes, Nana Gyan have joined us. Thank you so much, Manali. Hello, Romal.
Hi.
I think there's a video pause or something, Romal. I can hear you, but I cannot see you properly.
Okay. Let me try it again.
Yes. Romal is joining us, guys.
Can you see me?
It's still rotating.
Okay.
The loading.
The network is
Are you in
full here. Yes, I'm in full.
अच्छा मैं भी full network में हूँ. रोमल आपका वीडियो ऑन है ना? You can see yourself. Can you see me? I cannot see you. That's why. What should I do now? Guys, can you please comment section में आप comment कर सकते हो as to can you see me and Romal, both of us? Because I cannot see Romal. I don't know why. Anyone, can you please reply, guys? Can you see Roman? Okay, she might be joining again. Can you hear me now, Sridhar?
Yes, I can hear you, Manisha. I don't know about Sridhar. Can you see me now?
Sridhar bhi bol raha hai that he cannot see you, and also it's occult. It's occult is also saying that he cannot see you, and I also cannot see you, Romal.
What do I do now? I'm little confused.
रोमल आपके अकाउंट से आप ऐड हो सकते हो प्लीज. Let's try
मेरे
for a while.
अकाउंट से let me try. One second.
Please try, no?
Hmm.
Guys, until then, let me tell you that Romal Surana is a graphologist. She is an NLP practitioner. She is an NLP practitioner. She is a profound parenting coach. She has helped more than 5,000 parents out there who is so much, into some of the other concern or issues related to their children or as far as parenting is concerned. So she is one of the best parenting coach that I have personally ever seen. And one more thing about Roman is that in graphology, she has done a huge research onto that, and she's also learned about graphology to a certain extent. So yes, today we are inviting her to share about her journey as to. Let me add her, guys. She's sent a request.
Is it visible now?
To me, no. Sridhar, can you see Romal? Sridhar, can you see Romal? Nutrition. Shana's doctor, can you please see? Can you please tell us that you can see Romal?
Excited to hear expression? No. It's difficult because I've tried everything. This is how it is coming. You cannot see me. But let's go with the at least voice people can hear us. I think that would be fair enough.
Podcast जैसे हो जाएगा.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah. As far as we can hear you, it's absolutely fine. We can hear you.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah. So, Romal, that's what we just now gave an introduction about when you were joining. I just now told them that you are a graphologist. आपने parenting coaching का काफी ज्यादा आपका experience है, जिसमें मैंने personally बहुत ज्यादा experience किया है, जिसमें काफी सारे clients जो हमारे पास आते थे. Till date, it's a record that Romal has given 100%, and she is a change maker as far as the life of parenting is concerned. On the other side, she is a very profound graphologist, which can consult you as to what exactly you should do with your handwriting and what does your handwriting say about you and about the mindset or mentality that we as a person we have. On the other side, today we are super excited to hear Romal Surana because looking at her, it doesn't seem, looking at the way she's working nowadays rigorously towards so many sessions. She has a page also named Nanna Gyan Foundation. It's been so many years she's running. She's the founder of that. Looking at you, Romal, I personally have never thought, and also I'm damn sure that a lot of people who are near and dear friends of yours and colleagues who might have never felt or कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं होगा कि आप डिप्रेशन को ओवरकम करके आपने इतना कुछ अचीव किया है, बिकॉज यू आर अ वेरी हैप्पी गो गर्ल, लाइक बहुत जॉली टाइप हो, बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल हो अबव ऑल, एंड अ वेरी टॉकेटिव पर्सन आउट देयर. सो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड कीन टू नो योर जर्नी एज टू व्हाई डिड यू थॉट ऑफ शेयरिंग दिस एज टू डिप्रेशन. ये आपने चीज क्यों आप डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं हमारे साथ? व्हाट इज दैट वन लाइफ चेंजिंग मोमेंट that you would like to share?
Thank you for the wonderful description that you have given me. You have described me very well. But yes, I'm a very happy-go-lucky person. I'm very bubbly person, and I never thought कि डिप्रेशन नाम की कोई चीज मुझे कभी छू सकती है. बट लाइफ में कई बार ऐसी चीजें होती है, एंड दैट इज अ रियलिटी चेक ऑफ अ पर्सन. So I'll give you the first incident when actually I was going through mental stress, and I was क्या होता है यही समझने के लिए I was at a very tender age. I was born and brought up in Nagpur. Like till graduation, I was there in Nagpur. That's my hometown. And I went to Bangalore for my post-graduation. That is the MBA, because I'm an MBA graduate. And when I went to Bangalore, I was accompanied by my friend. She's one of the dear friend of me of that time. And because of her insistence, I went to Bangalore. And once I went Bangalore, there was a cultural shock, language shock. Everything was in haywire. But once I went there, my friend seriously, she detached with me, and she was the only source of, point of contact. My family there, from Nagpur to Bangalore, it's a huge distance. Parents cannot come so frequently. When she got attached to me, and there was a sense of getting too much of attention because my body was changing, a lot of hormonal changes. So I went through hysteria. Hysteria is a state wherein your brain shuts down and you collapse. When you are in too much stress, you collapse. Your conscious is aware, but your brain is shut. और मेरे साथ में ये काफी फ्रीक्वेंटली होने लगा था. एंड आई रियली डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू बिकॉज ये सिचुएशन मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ में शेयर नहीं कर सकती थी. ये इसके लिए मैं हॉस्पिटल नहीं जा सकती थी. करूँ क्या मैं? सो वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड सजेस्टेड मी कि यार एक बार घर पे तो बोल के देख एंड कम टू नागपुर once. So we had a holiday. I came to Nagpur for one of the vacations, and when I showed it to one of the psychologists, he told me that I'm suffering to hysteria. Hysteria is a state where your brain shuts, you collapse because you don't want to take any sort of pressure on your brain. So that was the first incident that has really that I faced in my life because I wanted my friend to pay attention to me. Everyone in this teenage goes through that where peer pressure, friends really means a lot to them. But at times, इसके लिए कई लोग ड्रग्स एडिक्ट कर लेते हैं, सिगरेट पीना शुरू कर देते हैं, अल्कोहल लेना शुरू कर देते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रुप. बट इन माय केस ऑल दीज थिंग्स आई डिडंट वांटेड टू डू इट, but how do I come out of it? So my brain chose a new way of shutting down and collapsing. So once I understood it, I realized that what am I doing with myself? That one friend cannot be there with me throughout my life. I need to come out of my comfort zone and find new friends. So I started. Then I made I made very good friends around me who are still there, connected with me, and with whom I was so attached. My best friend, she left me, and we are not in touch with each other now. So this was the first incident when I went through depression, mental illness called hysteria, and I was able to overcome because there was a support system. Again, the friends were the support system. My family was a support system. They never questioned me. "तू पागल तो नहीं है ना? तो दिमाग तो ठीक है ना?" They never questioned me. So family and friends really play a very vital role when you go through this. And in many cases, when I see today's generation, please don't fall prey कि ये दोस्त नहीं है तो क्या होगा, ये वो फ्रेंड नहीं है तो क्या होगा. कई बार जिंदगी अकेली भी जीनी पड़ती है बिकॉज लाइफ में कुछ बनना है तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे अलोन एंड डू इट. If you look at eagles, when you look at eagles, they fly very high. They don't have any birds even around them, and they are the king of the sky. So at times you have to live the life like a eagle, so that you can fly very high. If you have high hopes, high aims in your life, so you can learn this from my life that it's okay to be alone at times. So no need to be depressed. So this was the first incident that happened in my life, and I was doing good after that. I was a gold medalist in finance, and I was working with JP Morgan Chase, which is one of the world's renowned company. And within 6 months, I was promoted as TL, from a management trainee to a TL position, team lead position within 6 months. I'm talking about this 10 साल पहले की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, जब 2009 की, जब मुझे TL पोजीशन मिला था. एंड उसके बाद मैंने नाइट शिफ्ट भी किए. टाइम काफी अच्छा था, काफी अच्छा किया, पर फिर शादी हो गई. हमारे यहाँ पे बीइंग मारवाड़ी, एक बार जब शादी हो जाती है तो फिर आपको जॉब छोड़नी पड़ती है. जो चीज आप अर्न कर रहे हो वो आपके हाथ में नहीं रहती है. फिर एवरीथिंग पूछ के करनी पड़ती है, मन मर्जी से आपकी कोई काम नहीं होता. तो ये एक फेज होता है जब आपको वापस से उस बोलते हैं ना उस फेज में लेके जाता है जहाँ पे आप आपकी आइडेंटिटी ढूंढ रहे होते हो. तो मेरे साथ में भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था जब सेकेंड टाइम आफ्टर माई मैरिज, व्हेन आई वाज बैक फ्रॉम माई हनीमून, आई वाज इन डिप्रेशन. I was in depression because my husband was in Kuwait for his project, and I was there with my in-laws, and situation बहुत ही different था. इतना अलग माहौल था. I was not earning for every small thing. I have to be dependent on them. एंड आस्किंग मनी वाज अ बिग क्वेश्चन टू मी कि क्यों पैसे मांगना है यार, क्योंकि अभी तक आई वाज अर्निंग, कभी पापा को नहीं मांगे तो यहाँ क्यों मांगना है. So all these things actually bothered me इतना ज्यादा कि within a 1 year I was going through actual depression when I thought of killing myself and I did one attempt. But उसमें भी ऐसा था कि I was there at my parents' home and I did everything which was possible. टेबल लगा लिया, ऊपर में पंखे पे चुन्नी वुन्नी लगा दी. But one thought just stuck me, and that was my parents, my father's face, not even my mother, but my father's face stuck me. And with that position, I was sitting and crying कि क्या जिंदगी में मेरे को आप लेकर आ गए. एंड द वन वर्ड ऑफ माई फादर विच जस्ट सेड, लाइफ में कभी भी ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी ना तो सब छोड़ के मेरे पास आ जाना, बट कभी ऐसी हरकत मत करना. दैट वॉज द थिंग एंड दैट वॉज द डे. एंड आई थॉट कि ठीक है, ये सिचुएशन में हूँ, ये मेरे पे इतना भरोसा करता तो लेट मी गिव अ ट्राई. Then again I started my life. Things started getting better with the time. I learned a lot of things. हाँ, इनिशियल फेज में इतना इजी नहीं होता है, इसलिए सुसाइड इज नॉट द solution for everything. You have to fight back to bounce back in your life. And then when my son happened, then everything is a history. I started Nanna again after that. So this was my experience of work, handling depression, handling mental anxiety and suicide.
And you yourself, you became a parent, and that is where your actual journey started with.
Yes.
So I've met your son as well. He's a very, very, very obedient and sweet chap. I've met him so many times, Romal, and you yourself, you're a real life example to all the young, females, girls, and corporate women out there के किस लेवल तक का मल्टीटास्किंग पर एक women कर सकती है, जो मैंने आप में देखा है. So to the viewers, let me tell you that from the story of Romal Surana as well, if एक इंसान once if a person is going through depression at a very tender youngster age, on the second side after marriage, जब हमारे हाथ में हमारे decisions नहीं है, being a female, there are instances wherein we always think there should be someone to support me, there should be someone to tell me, you know what, this is something that you should go for and not that one, because उसमें आपका नुकसान है, उसने तो क्या करेगी, तुझे तो बेलन ही हाथ में लेना है. So there are so many instances, there are so many reasons that people are giving us, and the biggest mistake that we are doing is that we are adapting.
Agreed.
Accept कर रहे हैं हर एक चीज को, like you're just accepting the way it is. I don't think that it should happen that way, because Romal is a real life example for everyone, because she has actually proved us that a female, an individual can be a multitasker, because being a parent, being a corporate, now she is into entrepreneurship, जिसमें नन्ना ज्ञान फाउंडेशन is booming like crazy. These people are onto YouTube. काफी सारे वीडियोस इनके हैं जो पेरेंटिंग पे बेस्ड है, जो माइंडसेट के ऊपर बेस्ड है, एनएलपी के ऊपर बेस्ड है. सो बिफोर टॉकिंग टू रोमल, ऑफ कोर्स आई वेंट थ्रू अ यूट्यूब चैनल एज वेल. आई वाज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड, रोमल. Guys, please follow her, and if any kind of trainings, if you like, guys are looking for, you can follow our Dream Hunt channel as well, Dream Hunt India. We are also on YouTube. So रोमल, वो कौन सी एक एडवाइस है जो आप लोगों को देना चाहोगे, आपके व्यूवर्स को, जो आपको यूट्यूब पे सुनने वाले हैं, जो आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे सुनने वाले, कौन सी एक एडवाइस आप शेयर करना चाहोगे, सो दैट पीपल रिमेम्बर यू?
द थिंग इज, मेरा नाम रोमल है, सो नाम की अगर से आप संधि करो तो नाम में होता है रो और मल. तो रो के या तो आप अपना डिसीजन ले सकते हो कि रो के खुद के आंसू पोंछना है, या वो हाथ दोनों जो दूसरों के आंसू पोंछ सके. So हमेशा try to give more that you have, because when you do selflessly for others, you yourself raise your bars. So be that Romal for others, so that किसी के आप आंसू पोंछ सको, किसी की मदद कर सको, किसी को खड़ा होने के लिए हेल्प कर सको. And life is all about giving and raising your bars. क्योंकि एक्सेप्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होती है, कोई भी सिचुएशन है तो उसकी एक्सेप्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होती है. सो बी दैट रोमल.
एब्सोल्युटली, सो प्राउड ऑफ यू, एंड कितने वंडरफुली आपने आपका नाम का मीनिंग को अटैच किया उस एडवाइस से जो लोग आपसे ले सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच रोमल, इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट. आई एम डैम श्योर दैट पीपल आर गोइंग टू, ये जो शॉर्ट में आपने आपकी 2 डिफरेंट स्टोरीज शेयर की है, जो आज आके उसी कंक्लूजन पे आ रही थी डिप्रेशन की. बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स हैं जो ये फेस कर रहे हैं, women, men, everybody out there who are facing this. I'm damn sure that every family member is going to be the same, like, you know, you are being blessed with. आपके पेरेंट्स भी आपको ऐसे मिले जिन्होंने एंड टाइम पे आपको इस लेवल तक का सपोर्ट दिया, so that today every day they might be feeling proud of you, and of course you are equally proud of them, because of which you are alive today. And
True,
yes,
that's true.
being a fantastic entrepreneur out here. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Take
much.
care.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye.